So you want to learn about timeline and sequence settings. Well, rest assured that this is a video for you. Now, right now in our sequence we have nothing, but when you make a sequence, there's a lot of presets here that you're probably gonna work with. There's the DNxHR Ultra HD, and there's multiple versions of these, and as you can see, like in the frame size, like is huge. This is like for movies or something. So what you're probably gonna end up working with is DNX HD, where you have your 1080p stuff, and let's just go ahead and grab one of those. But there's also you can change the settings here. So yeah, so whatever it is, this one's not the resolution I like. You can see the frame size here, so you can edit it here, audio, whatever, name the sequence something, and carry on. So now we have our sequence or timeline here, and then we can see the majority of our clips are the sequence setting. So when we drag it, it's full, but we have something here that's 6,000 by 4,000, and it's gonna look really zoomed in. So what you would want to do is zoom out, or you can double tap it and adjust it as such. Now you could also see that it's red. That's not good. Red isn't good. So what you want to do to render the clip so it plays more smoothly in the video is to just click the enter key, and then it's going to render it, and then when you play back the clip, it's going to be smooth sailing. So that basically is it. I think I just forgot to show you guys how to save the preset of the sequence setting. So you can see that's our sequence setting. It's in our timeline here as well. So let's go to sequence setting, and let's say you did adjust it, or let's just go ahead and make a new one. You could also save it as a preset. So let's say you had like these crazy like sequence settings work the best, you love it, you could save it as a preset and you'll never have to worry about it again. Why sequence settings is important is, like, just as I showed, not everything is gonna appear the same always. So it basically confines the video into one resolution, one frame rate, and you're good. So very helpful to know. If you're working on big projects, you get a lot of different resolution files, and they're gonna have to get compressed, and this is a way to do it. So if that tutorial helped, I'm not gonna ask for a like, never mind. Hopefully it helped. Good luck and peace.